Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. And today we're continuing the build on the semi-truck. We've got a lot of work to do on it, and honestly I'm excited about it, but the main problem is we can't get this cab inside. It's not going to fit through the garage doors. It's obviously too tall. So we're going to have to figure something out to do. Work outside, but you know, it might rain tomorrow or something like that. If we get started in the middle of it, bonding or whatever it is we're going to do, we got to figure out somehow to protect it over the weather, shelter it. So we went online and got one of those garage carport things. So we got to set that up. We got to go through the cab itself, probably de-trim it, get all the little plastic pieces off before we could primer it, seam seal it, do all the other stuff we got to do to it. A lot of work to do. Let's go ahead and get it done. All right guys, so here we have it. Here's our outdoor little carport. We ordered, came in, small box, but I hope it's big enough to protect our cab from the elements. We'll see how big it is. If not, we're gonna have to like lift it up on some blocks or something. We're gonna figure it out, do what we gotta do. We're gonna get it done. Let's open it and see what's inside. All right. There's our tarps, basically the top of it. We got a little cheap carport, but you know, just gonna get it done. We don't know what we're gonna do with it later, so. Looks pretty simple. Everything's numbered, labeled.
Is there directions, Michael?
I'm hoping. I hope there's directions. Alright guys, so there is instructions. That's nice. I mean, there's a lot of pieces going on. I put a trampoline together one time. It was about this many pieces. It was a pain in the butt, but we'll get it done. It shouldn't be too bad. A little thank you note. Dear customer, thank you for your choosing. Yep, that sounds nice. I appreciate it. All right. Yeah, it's pretty basic. Little garage, carport thing, let's do it. A lot of pieces. Hope we do it right. It's gonna look weird. We'll get it, let's do it. Alright guys, so there it is. We put it together. I mean, it looks pretty good, kind of sturdy. It's not bad. It's good quality. The only problem is it's not wide enough. I mean, we had basically our 2x6s. We're gonna lift the whole thing up, a good 3 feet or something like that for our cab. But when we measured it, it said 10 feet wide, but it's only the bottom. The bottom's 10 feet wide. So right here, it's only, I don't know, like what, 7 feet or something? Definitely
like 8 feet.
8 feet. It definitely tapers in, so it's not big enough for our cab. Okay.
Hey, but at least we'll put the boat inside.
Yeah, I mean, that's not bad, you know, Mustang, Viper, whatever, we'll put something in here, no big deal. We'll still use it for something, but not what we wanted to use it for. So whatever, forget about that. We're still gonna keep moving forward. We'll work on the cab, we'll go ahead and de-trim everything, take the glass off, start bonding, primering, and keep going. Whatever, outside, all natural. Let's do it.
All right, guys, so here we have it. We got the cab. Pretty much we're going to fix these little holes. We're gonna put some fiberglass in there. Then we're gonna fix those scratches. A lot of DAing, a lot of more body filler, but let's get to it.
Alright guys, so this glass is basically almost ready to come out. It's not glued in like that. It's in this rubber seal, so all we gotta do is push it out. We'll get the glass out. Hope we don't drop it, it's expensive. Definitely gotta save it. We need a glass, so we're gonna go ahead and do our best. Alright guys, that was pretty easy. I mean, I guess most semi-truck glasses aren't glued in, just a rubber gasket seal, so push that out, wasn't too bad. Done with that. Now we can move forward, probably go ahead and take that door off, so then we can just keep on working on this part right here. And this little plastic piece as well. That looks like it unbolts right there. Go ahead and get that off. Just take everything off that's extra. Down to the bare metal. Get it done. Let's do it.
Alright guys, check it out. After hours and hours of sanding, it's coming out really nice. But we gotta hurry up and primer before it gets dark, so let's get to it. Alright guys, it's actually the next morning, so we're gonna actually re-sand this and re-primer it. Make sure it's all straight, get rid of any of the scratches we left over it. So let's put some guide coat on it and start blocking it. Let's go. Alright guys, check out the progress. We got the primer all sanded down, turning out a lot nice. We got the little scratches out of it. So ready for our second coat of primer, and it's gonna look nice. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here's the door. It's got damage on it. We're gonna fix that. But first we're gonna take these stickers off. We'll get the stickers removed, and then we're gonna put some filler on this. There's a little dent right there. Right here. Just like that. So this one we're gonna sand it down, and we're actually gonna put some resin because it's broken on the inside too. So let's sand this thing down and get some filler on it, or some fiberglass. Alright, so check it out. Check out the progress. So this one's ready to get some primer on it. The door is all fixed. Getting ready to get some primer on it. Whatever this little piece is, get some primer on it from all these little scratches. And this top visor came out nice, so let's get some primer. Alright, so check it out. It's the next day. The primer is looking really good. We got some guide coat on it. So now we're going to sand it down with 400, put some sealer on it, and be ready for paint. Fortunately, it's really cold outside and it's raining, so we can't do the cab today. But let's knock out these pieces. A lot of sanding. All right, so here we have it. We got this door all sanded down. Looks really good inside and out. It's gonna get ready for some sealer. And we got this little piece we'll paint. These are the little edges of the cab we can paint. First we gotta do sealer. So let's put some sealer down. And then we can put some white down. Let's get to it. Alright guys, check out the progress. The door came out really nice. Got about 2 coats of clear on it, about 4 coats of base on it. Really nice. The sealer definitely helped it, and I'm glad. So hopefully it's going to match with the rest of the cab. Fortunately, we're having a lot of bad weather for the cab, so it doesn't look like we're going to do it this week unless we can find a shop we can do it inside. So we're going to give some calls. But unfortunately, that's all the time we got for this episode. leave us a comment. Next time we're going to be working on the cab. We're going to get that thing painted. Hopefully no issues, and it's going to be nice and easy. Definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.